Paano ba maging PCO or Police Commission Officer sa PNP? May dalawang klase yan. Lateral entry through line service and lateral entry for technical service. Pero meron pa isa, hindi ko na in-include dito. Merong rose from the rank. Sila yung nag-umpisa simula patrolman at lahat ng rango pinagdaanan nila. Then, naging lieutenant sila. Hindi ko na sinama dito. Una, pwede ka mag-lateral entry through PNP Cadetship Program. PNP is lateral entry. According mismo ito sa memorandum circular. Kumbaga lateral, may mga nilagpasan ka. So, ano ba yung line service officers? Ano ba yung line service duty? So, ito yung duty na purely essential police function. Itong dalawa. So, ano ba yung ginagawa nila? More on crime prevention, investigation, law enforcement, special operation, search and rescue. So, sila yon. Line service officers ang tawag doon. Makikita mo sila sa police stations, operational units ng provincial office, regional office, city police office, and operating divisions of National Support Unit. Ano example nito? National Support Unit na operation. Pwedeng Special Action Force, pwedeng Maritime. Ano naman yung technical service officers? Ito yung mga highly technical functions. Ano ba yung mga highly technical functions ng PNP? Pwedeng doktor, pwedeng nurse, pwedeng pare, priest, pwedeng pastor, imam, nurse, dentist. So sila yon. Sila yung mga technical service officers. From ding mga pulis na gano'n na yung trabaho nila sa loob ng PNP.